In this video, we will present the main tools and the general operation of the Sizer Electric software. When the program starts, a window is displayed with two main elements. At the top of the window, the main menu is shown, and directly below it is the toolbar, where icons are located to provide quick access to the software's main functions. Let us review the options available in the main menu. The first item is Project. This menu is used to manage the files containing the project information. The first submenu option is New, which is used to create a new project. This option generates a new directory containing data files, configuration files, and library files. Open allows access to an existing project file. Open Examples opens the demonstration projects included with the software. Save stores the information of the current project. Save As saves the project files under a different name. Close closes the active project. Change Password allows the user to set a password for the project files. Printer Setup is used to select and configure the printer or plotter. At the end of this submenu, a list of the last 5 projects previously opened with the software is displayed. Finally, the Exit option closes the project and terminates the execution of the program. The Queries option in the main menu allows the user to display grids and interfaces for entering and editing project data. Within this submenu, the following options are available. References, used to enter the general project information. Standards, used to select and edit the code or standard applicable to the project. General data, used to define project specifications and constraints. Circuits, used to enter circuit information and select conductor sizes. Cable trays and conduits, used to define conduits and cable trays and assign circuits to them, in order to obtain conduit diameters and tray widths. Specifications, used to manage conductor definitions, weights, dimensions, and catalogs. Reels, used to assign circuits to cable reels efficiently, minimizing material waste. Cable Summary, used to obtain the bill of materials for all conductors in the project. Finally, Option Tables opens all the technical reference tables used by the software for calculations. The Reports option displays a menu on the left side of the screen. This section can be hidden by selecting the Reports option again. This section contains expandable bands with titles and downward-pointing arrows that provide access to groups of reports generated by the program. To view the reports in each group, simply click on the arrows. The report titles appear as hyperlinks, allowing the selected report to be displayed. Some reports prompt the user to apply filters before printing, enabling segmented analysis of the information. This menu includes formats for tabular and detailed or extended printing. The last option in this menu, labeled as User, allows the opening of a customized report previously created using the Tabular Report Designer. The Tools option provides access to several utilities, including system configuration and customization of reports and interfaces, updating the information stored on the USB license key, reading license permissions from the USB key, backing up the project and restoring compressed data, mass editing of data entered in user interfaces, importing and merging information from other projects. The Specifications option allows the user to import information from other projects, restore libraries to their original state, and update previously imported data within the current project. The Document Generator option installs, or uninstalls, the tool used to generate reports in bibliographic format. Finally, the Calculator option opens the Windows Calculator to assist with basic calculations. The Language option allows switching between Spanish and English. Changing this option updates the language used in the interfaces, online help files, technical reports, tabular reports, and conductor material lists. The Window option changes the layout of grids and modifies their arrangement within the user interface, similar to other Windows applications, or allows all views to be closed simultaneously. The Help option opens all online assistance files and allows the user to download the Report Designer Manual and the User Manual in PDF format. It also provides access to the software website and video tutorials through the program's YouTube channel, where all operational and usage videos are available. This menu also includes options for checking online updates, accessing technical support information from the conductor manufacturer, documenting detected execution issues, and viewing general software information through the About option. Toolbar. The toolbar displays user-friendly icons that provide quick access to the main functions of the software. When the mouse pointer is placed over any icon, a description of its function is displayed. By right-clicking on an empty area at the end of the toolbar, the Customize option becomes available, allowing the user to modify the sequence and visibility of toolbar icons. The status bar at the bottom of the screen displays information related to menu options, icons, and software buttons. Windows. Sizer Electric uses two different types of windows for data entry. Main windows display the fields where data can be entered, edited, or deleted directly. The second type of window is known as a grid. Grids display database information but do not allow direct editing. To modify a record, the user should select it and double-click to open the corresponding main window. Each grid includes its own toolbar, which allows adding, editing, copying, or deleting records. It also enables filtering data, restoring information, copying grid contents to the clipboard, sorting data in ascending or descending order, and modifying the column layout of the tabular view. In some grids, a calculation report option is available, allowing the user to print a technical calculation report for the selected record. The toolbar also includes a close button to hide the grid. The operation of the program is intuitive and user-friendly. Every project begins with the creation of a new file. Next, the references are entered, followed by the definition of applicable standards, general data, and circuits, which are then assigned to cable trays and reels. Like any software application, the process consists of data input followed by output generation through reports. Data entry is performed following the sequence shown in the Queries menu, from top to bottom. When operating the project through the toolbar, the process becomes even simpler. The user follows the icons from left to right, starting with references, then standards, general data, circuits, and so on. Once data entry is completed and calculations are performed in each module, output reports are generated using the Reports option in the main menu. The videos available on this channel provide detailed guidance on the sequence, operation, data entry, and calculation procedures for each module. These are the basic concepts required for operating the Sizer Electric software. Additional information can be found in a user manual or by pressing the F1 key on the keyboard while any active window is open. Thank you for your attention. We recommend viewing the complementary videos on conductor selection, cable tray and conduit selection, circuit assignment to reels, and grounding grid design for a complete understanding of the Sizer Electric software.